Hey, what's up, guys? I hope everyone is doing great today. It's Oboypapi right here once again, and I'm back again with this new video that is going to help you change your financial life. Okay, if you have been on this channel for a while now, you realize that we are on a journey to help you guys make money online. Okay, so day in day out, I bring in new method ways that you could also do or use to make money online. So today's video, we're gonna talk about a platform that you all know about, PalmPay. Okay, and PalmPay happens to be doing a promo, okay, which at the end of the day they are giving out free money for new people to sign up on their app. Okay, so I decided to make a new video about it and go deeper, explain deeper how this rule, the rules that entails in this promotion, okay, the rules that is involved with this promotion, and the things that you're supposed to do and the things that you're not supposed to do. Okay, so I'm going to break it down for you to understand how you'll be able to do or make free money from PalmPay. Okay, so what you see on my screen is right now is the PalmPay app. So PalmPay actually launched a new app on the Play Store, okay, a few days back, and they have been trying to run this promo for a while now. It's been I think close to 2 weeks since I got to find out. It looks like they have a mobile app for Nigerians and they have a mobile app for Ghanaians. Okay, so they are running a promo on the Ghana app. Okay, that is the Ghana PalmPay app. First of all, those of you who don't know what PalmPay is about, PalmPay is a platform that you could use to do what? Pay your bills. I mean, if you have to pay your electricity bills and water bills, you could use the platform to do what? Utilize it to make your payments. Okay, and aside from that, you could buy airtime on the app and get a discount, okay, up to 30% discount. That is a great deal. Okay, so I've already made 2 videos about this, and I spoke about how you can register an account and even how you claim your free voucher for, that is the airtime, that the percentage that I'm talking about. Okay, so in today's video is basically about how you can earn money with PalmPay. Okay, so PalmPay is giving out free 10 cedis to each person that you bring on the platform. Okay, those of you who already registered, you are not going to receive the 10 cedis. Okay, but new people, those who don't have any idea about the app, when they download the app on their phone, okay, and sign up using your referral link, you get paid 10 cedis. Okay, so 2 people will give you like 20 cedis, 3 people will give you like 30 cedis, and it goes on and goes on like that. But there are certain rules that you need to follow before you be able to claim or get your reward. Okay, so that's what I'm going to talk about today. Okay, so right here from the interface, you can see that I have like 18 cedis. Okay, everyone who signs up or anyone who sign up or download the app will automatically receive 16 cedis on their dashboard. Okay, they receive it for free. Okay, 16 cedis for free, and aside from that, they are going to pay you 10 cedis for each person that you bring on board. Okay, so if you go down here, you can see the people that I've invited. Okay, so far these are like 4 people. Okay, so what you see from first one, it says that the first number over here, it says sign up. Okay, there's a small box over there which is sign up. Okay, and second one is top up. So in order for you to get a reward, one, you need to sign up, and 2, you have to top up using the app. Okay, that is, you have to use the app to buy airtime before you be the receive what do you call it, I will be able to say, for example, if you register with my link, after registration you have to buy airtime, okay, before I get the chance to receive my airtime. Okay, sorry, my free money. Okay, so over here, if you check on the last person, there is a tick over here. That means that the person have actually registered an account, they signed up. Okay, now it left for them to do a top up for me to receive my full reward. Okay, that is how it works. So the rest over here have not signed up, they just click on the link, okay, and they entered their normal, but they didn't proceed with the full registration. And it could be that if they are not sick, sometimes they have been registered, but because they are not being approved. Okay, because during registration you have to provide your documentations, okay, like your ID card, your driver's license, or any ID card that you have to identify you. Okay, so once you are done, you see that they will take it like this one. Okay, now let's go down here, how to get the cash. Okay, to one, the first step you need to take is to share your link with friends. Okay, and 2, invite registers, you get cash reward. So when your friends register, you get a cash reward. Okay, and the step 3 says that get a cash reward after invitee finish task. Okay, so there's a task after the person registered, they have to do or complete the task by buying airtime. Okay, and that is where you get to receive the money. Okay, now let's click on the details over here to read more about it. Okay, so 1, it says that Each referral and a tax is valid for 7 days. Okay, so if you fail to collect your reward by clicking on the redeem it's before it expires, okay, your reward amount will be automatically added to history. So that means that this package, this promo is actually working for 7 days. Okay, so if you fail to collect your reward, okay, before the 10 ends, yeah, the that is before the 10 ends, the money will expire. That means your reward will not be given to you. So it's very important that you redeem it before the end of the promo. Okay, and second one says that after the tax expires, details of invitees for that particular tax will be cleared out. Okay, if any have not signed up yet, you may re-invite them a new earning tax. So that means that it looks like in the nearest future they are going to bring in more tax, okay, more promotion like this one. Okay, so if the person is not able to register, okay, then you'll be able to re-invite them on the next promo that they do. Okay, the third one says that status of your invitee is marked as already registered on the invitee list. You will not get a reward for this invitee because the invitee has successfully registered on PalmPay by another referral code. Okay, so that means that if someone is already registered on the platform, when they click on your link, you're not going to get a reward because the person is already registered. Okay, they're already a member. Okay, and the fourth one says that mobile phone can only be invited once, and one invitee can only be associated with one inviter. So that means that you cannot have multiple accounts. Only one phone be able to media one back home. So if you have a spare phone, you can use it to register, but with a different identity. Okay, so that these are the four things that you need to take note of. Okay, and the risk rules. Okay, they say there are rules. So users are not allowed to engage in improper or malicious ways to participate in this campaign. Okay, by participating, you are affirming that PalmPay has the right to determine through its risk control system whether each user has engaged in any of the violations below and has the right to pull users' information on account registration or login, usage behavior, normal transaction habit, industrial practice in the internet field, any activity deemed abominable, okay, and other big data for comprehensive analysis and evaluation. I don't know why they are coming out with this big brothel. You don't have to cheat. That is all this thing they are saying over here, and that's the that's the main goal over here, that you don't have to cheat this competition, because at the end of the day, if you do, they will kick you out or whatever. So these are the rules that you need to follow, okay, in order for you to be able to. Okay, so let me go to history over here. You can click on history to see the number of people that have registered. Okay, so you see over here that this is PalmPay referral reward, which was given to me like 16 cedis. Okay, over here, and now they said friend registered. Okay, so a friend who registered also 2 cedis. I got 2 cedis, and that friend have to also do what? Buy airtime. Okay, before I get all the 10 cedis being paid to me. Okay, so it looks like that. So now, in order for you to refer, all you have to do is to come here. Okay, you click on invite a friend. Okay, then you'll get a chance to do what? Copy the link over here. Okay, when you copy the link, you can share the link to your friends through WhatsApp, Facebook, Telegram, Instagram, TikTok, any place that you get a chance to communicate with people. You could share your link over there, and your friends will register using your link, and you make money from doing that. Okay, so these are a few steps for you to make money, and this thing is limited. Okay, it looks like 1 day, 12 hours and 2 minutes left, okay, for the tax to end. Okay, but I got to know about this 2 weeks ago. Back then it wasn't ready, but people are now cashing out. Okay, people are now cashing out, and like what you see on your screens right now, people have made withdrawals. Me personally have not done any withdrawal, but I know this thing is paying because PalmPay never disappoints. I've already earned a lot of airtime from PalmPay back in the days, somewhere 2020. So I know about PalmPay. They keep their promises, and people are cashing out for real. I know people who are cashing out, and these are screenshots from people who have actually made withdrawals, and it's paying. So take advantage of it and make use of you can make some money from here. Okay, smart money from here. So thank you guys for watching this video, and I appreciate you guys all the time. Okay, if you have any questions or you need any assistance, just let me know in the comment section below, and I'll do my best to reply as soon as I can. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. Peace. I'm out.